Hello my friends, and today I'm going to buy the new lapel microphone for my Android phone. So I have a lapel microphone for my camera, but I didn't find the right one which is actually suitable for Android smartphone. So I'm going to fix this today and hopefully I will be able to provide you with a better sound. So let's go there. Hey, I'm back. And that was a crazy day. It was terrible snowstorm and it was super cold. I was freezing and really terrible. So I chose the wrong day to actually go and buy the microphone, but I did buy it and I hope you can hear the difference. So here's the microphone which I did buy. This is a not expensive version, the Chinese copy of the Rode microphone. I absolutely love it. The quality is not that bad. The price is below $20, and that inspired me for the next series about how to film, how to create videos for your business on a budget without spending tons of money on equipment. So we are going to talk about the equipment, we are going to talk about the video quality, we are going to talk about the editing apps, and we're going to talk about the idea how to deliver the great content to your customers, to brand yourself while you will just use your phone and maybe little adjustments to your equipment like this lapel microphone or something like that. So I'm absolutely sure you will be excited about this. And if you are a coach or an expert and you just want to incorporate video marketing to brand yourself online, this series is just right for you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification button, like this video, and become the part of community so that you can brand yourself, you can brand your brilliance and be really unforgettable for your clients. I will see you next time. Bye bye.